Ale, and happy Friday! Welcome back to Around the Island, and I'm your host, Katie Delano. Rain or shine, the show must go on. And you know, life is ironic sometimes. At the start of the week, I dressed for the rainy weather. And what was I given? Lo and behold, sun, 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 and more sun. But it's alright. I had hopes for the rest of the week. And today, it looked like it'll be sunny all day. So you can't tell, but I dressed for bright and sunny weather. And what did life give me? Rain, 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 and more rain. And that sucks. But like I said at the beginning, rain or shine, the show must go on, and everything else must go on. And it's a good thing that the small voice in the back of my head said, bring a jacket, because wet socks and wet shoes are not the greatest feeling in the world, ladies and gentlemen. But you know how you can feel great? By doing some yoga and meditation. So for this week, we are starting off strong with Camp Katu, hosting an introductory yoga class with Dr. Melissa, taking place at Camp Katu in Irai on the following dates: July 5th, July 12th, and July 19th, all starting at 5 p.m. Also happening at Camp Katu is movie night, starting at 6:30 with free admission, free popcorn featuring the film The Present. Also that started happening this week is the Palau 2024 Palau Youth Games and Festival, running from July 5th to July 13th. Today, they had their opening ceremony at PNOC, which would explain the really heavy traffic and the heavy populated area. But that's alright. Today was their opening ceremony, and starting tomorrow, July 6th to July 8th, from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. every day, all their sports will commence. And then on July 9th to July 11th, they'll be taking a short break, but will come back on July 12th and July 13th at the same time, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., continuing their sports, with their closing ceremony happening on July 13th at 1:30 p.m. and awarding ceremony at the Palau National Gym. That's it for this week for something sports related. And don't worry, if you're not into sports or you can't do sports such as yours truly, we have something for you that's science related. The Palau International Coral Reef Center are pairing up with Nautilus Live to provide an incredible opportunity for students and early career professionals from Palau with a passion for ocean conservation. The Palau Voices in Ocean Exploration Program is a 5-month fellowship which blends virtual and in-person training, hands-on experiences, and mentorship opportunities to equip participants with skills, knowledge, and experience in culturally rooted science communication and storytelling practices. Tell the story of Palau's oceans and Palau Voices in Ocean Exploration online and in-person training fellowship. You can learn more and apply now at nautiluslive.org/education/Palau Storytellers to develop skills to be an advocate for ocean and elevate conservation efforts across Palau. Are you tired of life? Do you need to run away for a bit? Would you be looking for a tropical getaway but too tired to plan the trip all on your own? Well, don't you fear, we got just the person for the job. Palau Concierge is here to transform your daily life and elevate your experiences to new heights. Whether you're a busy professional, a globe-trotting traveler, or simply someone who values their time, they're here to make your life easier and more enjoyable. Driven by passion, expertise, self-sufficiency, and how to help find the solution, Concierge Palau is the best choice for you. Concierge Palau helps people plan the perfect getaway, all the while maintaining that eco-friendly lifestyle. From travel bookings to event planning and graphic designs, they can help you do it all. They also assist with social media management and virtual assistant services to help you grow your platform and business. With the aim to achieve ultimate customer satisfaction, you can count on Concierge Palau. So contact 775-8647 to schedule your next event or getaway trip. Thank you to Concierge Palau for sponsoring this week's episode. And And that's it for this week, ladies and gentlemen. If you're watching this on YouTube, please go ahead and click that like and subscribe button and comment down below and share your thoughts. If you're scrolling on Facebook, the same goes for you as well. You can also message me directly at Katie Delano or slide into my DMs on Instagram at chaotic.ktd. If you have some trouble understanding how to do that, I am sure there's a kid running around somewhere who can help you do just that. Anyways, don't forget to tune in to next week's show where I will be interviewing a special guest. Who could it be? I don't know, and I won't be telling you, so I guess we will have to see and you will have to tune in to find out. Anyways, that's all for now, folks. This is KT signing off. Till next time.